Multipro Machines proudly presents the heavy-duty brake lathe equipped with the revolutionary QuickShift Spindle Mechanism, designed for both passenger cars and heavy commercial vehicles like trucks and buses. Right now, you are watching the disc resurfacing operation in action. Whether it is a small car disc or a large truck disc, this machine delivers powerful torque with complete vibration-free stability. The dual cutting system performs precise cutting on both sides of the disc simultaneously, ensuring perfect parallel finish and eliminating thickness variation. There is no need to remove and flip the disc repeatedly. Its rigid structure, precision-balanced spindle, and heavy-duty construction allow smooth performance even for large-diameter commercial vehicle discs. This results in improved braking efficiency, longer disc life, and professional-grade finishing. One machine, complete disc solution for light and heavy vehicles. Now let us introduce the most advanced feature, the QuickShift Spindle Mechanism trademark. In conventional machines, changing from disc to drum requires dismantling, repositioning, realignment, and retightening, which consumes time and skilled labor. But with QuickShift, you simply loosen the spindle, rotate it, and tighten. Conversion is done within seconds. Faster changeover means higher productivity and more vehicles serviced every day. Now the spindle has been rotated using the QuickShift Spindle Mechanism and the machine is ready for drum resurfacing. You can see the drum cutting operation running smoothly and vibration-free. Whether it is a car drum or a heavy truck drum, the machine maintains strong stability and cutting accuracies. The auto-feed system ensures consistent cutting without manual effort. For ultra-fine finishing, the micro-adjustment lever allows precise micro-cuts with full control. The machine is also equipped with an auto-stop function for safety and uniform results. With powerful construction and intelligent design, this becomes a complete brake resurfacing solution for every professional workshop.
For sales, call us at +91 72020 21999 or email sales@multipromachines.com. Visit our website www.multipromachines.com. Launch